right, so, yeah, this came in today. Super excited about it. Let's see what it is. Woo! Let's freaking go! This was so hard to get, but your boy got it! Oh, I'm nervous, but I'm also excited. Let's see this bad boy. Okay, that's the front. A little damage up here, but you know, it's alright. Sick. Okay, nice little side shot. Let's bring it down. Yep. Little back action here. 825 gigabytes. Didn't know it was that much. Anything on the bottom? Dolby, audio, DTS, HDMI. All right, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Bring it this way. Seal wasn't open, so it's a good sign. Heard a lot of rumors. Ooh, cool. Sit that side. Down. Oh. Interesting. Whoa. Okay. Got a power cord. Got some paperwork. Okay. Quick start guide. Open that up. What do we got here? An HDMI cord. Nice. This is the stand. Interesting. Very interesting. That's the stand. Woo! Wow. Look at that. That's pretty nice. I'm so pumped. I came from a PS3. This is a PS5. I never got the PS4. I just told myself I'd just kind of wait. Good thing I did. Oh, wait, who knows? Oh, USB-C to USB, probably to charge the controller. The big kahuna. Wow. Let's go! Let's go. Oh my goodness. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Holy moly. Just look at that. Look. Look at it. Look at it. The bottom. The front. Another side action over here. You got this side of the ventilation on this bad boy. Let's see the back. All that ventilation. Wow. Holy moly. Guys, we got the PS5! Let's go! Okay. Thank you for watching my unboxing experience. Got the PS5, controller. We got all the cords that come with it. And I just picked up 2 games. A little Gran Turismo action and the new Spider-Man. So I know RQ's Garage is a car channel, but when a device like this once in a lifetime happens and the hype is so real on getting these bad boys, I have to show you guys what's up. Like, subscribe, Share this video to your friends. Now you can see the full unboxing experience, just flat out how it is. Maybe another video, I'll show you how I got the PS5 and explain the steps and the process behind it. But other than that, I love you. See you in the next one.